Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For the start of the new year, I thought it'd be fun just to do a really easy sit-down video, a DIY rainbow wall art painting. I'm just using some acrylic paints in this tutorial and using some kind of fun pastel colors. First, I'm just going to be mixing each color with some white just to make it a little bit more muted. I know that rainbows are really trendy right now, so I thought this would be a really cute tutorial. I do plan on probably putting this in my daughter's room. I didn't sketch anything out before this. I just free-flowed and painted whatever came to mind and just kind of used it as a relaxation experience. thought it'd be fun to add some tactileness to this painting, so I went ahead and added some glitter that I thought would just be fun, and to make it stick to the painting, I just painted some white paint on there, and it sticks pretty well. I decided to add some hearts at the bottom of the rainbow, but after finishing them, I really didn't like the way they turned out. I think I should have made them maybe a little bit smaller. I think that would have been cute. So I decided ultimately to kind of combine them and create some little clouds, which I think turned out pretty good. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it and subscribe for more upcoming DIYs.